Here we are at the beautiful Sea Breeze in Barbados. Of course, the big attraction, the beach and the beautiful white sand. It's a nice little family-friendly resort here in Barbados. Great for weddings because it does have a adult-only section. This is the adults-only pool. We'll show you the adults-only room here a little bit later in the video, but there's the adults-only pool, kind of a quiet little area. You can see a nice little reception area, and later for dinner, you can sit here and listen to the breezes. And we're going to walk over to the gazebo. Here we're going to walk into the gazebo, which would be awesome for a small wedding. But for the meantime, you can have a little drink here, enjoy the waves and the beautiful views. Here at Sea Breezes. Mahogany Lounge, where people are having breakfast right now. And you can see this is a tall building, so not 5 or 6 stories, so you can see some great views from the penthouse, the adults only room, and the beachfront, overlooking the beautiful beach here at Sea Breeze. Here we are at the Sea Breeze in Barbados. Nice little 123 room resort. Here are some beautiful beaches. It's kind of nice as this resort has an adult-only pool. We take you over there, we'll kind of by the reception area, show you a couple of areas real quick, and then we'll take a more in-depth tour. So this is the adult-only pool. Around this side. Several stories, so you can get some awesome views of this incredible ocean here when the sun is out. It is a nice blue water with the white sands. Gorgeous place to go here in Barbados. Here we are at the Sea Breeze in Barbados, and these are the oceanfront rooms. You can see we just panned from the ocean with its own little pool in the front to enjoy. And you can come right over here to the ocean view rooms. Great place for the kids to play in the pool, but you're still never too far from the ocean. Here at about 123 rooms at this resort. At least 3 options for every meal as far as restaurants. Great place to enjoy Barbados. at the Oceanfront Room here at Sea Breeze Resort. Beautifully appointed room. Quick peek at the bathroom. You can see the dining schedule. And of course, the reason you come to the Oceanfront Room is this beautiful view. Here at the Sea Breeze Resort. Here we're going to see a 2-bedroom, and you just saw 2 doors there that you can interconnect for a 3rd bedroom. You walk in that door, immediately walk into the king room. This is an ocean view ultimately, and you'll see why here in a second. With the bathroom. And the 2nd bedroom has twin beds. A little common area, pull-out bed, so you can actually have another person there. And this is considered an ocean view, but you can see the view is amazing. So again, this is the 2-bedroom ocean view here at Sea Breeze. Here we are entering a 1-bedroom ocean view. See the bathroom, got some amenities, but very spacious room. You can see the king bed can be converted to 2 twins. I see those connecting doors. That's where if you want to have a king on the other side or 2 twins on the other side, you can have a connecting room. And this is the ocean view, but I'd say not a bad ocean view. Here's a spacious room at Sea Breeze in Barbados.